Georgia, you see, the NPP communication team member and of course the spokesperson the man that move. Open my chair.
Yeah, me just so.
Bibi aboko there. And nobody has say. And many paying ebusu paying Kofi and so ewa hadu say. Also a member of the NDC communication team. Open my chair.
Yeah, Jakura.
Bibi aboko there.
Obadi adum.
And nobody has say. And nobody has say. Nobody has say. I can just a few more days to elections. You see, ejabo, baby, you kika kwe die, wabi dra anisa. But SMB has started say bubo bade say ye na ye di ho kobo ene anopay ewo ehado mu say. One of the issues eba and say Togbe Afede e dey say bia ba betu dwa na say mo kan na say Supreme Court ruling na eba ye no e defy logic eno no de logically bibia wo ho no mo and I say don't get ya so asakoka say MPP for mo pamonship mo be ye mo be suro sumo ja mo pamonship NDC for komra hye bedwa mu nne enko china no be ni na ne say just ye to abani wie ansa na ye hu nema ebekoso ewo bra hye bedwa meaning this and many more issues e benya daje e de hu komo ma me sati free word mo George na ye ni e hu komo kakra
yo me da say
let me come out 10 minutes for your opening remarks then we can proceed from there. Thank you.
Me da say ma minchi mini Kofi ne production crew. Yeah, Togbe Afede or in DF4 Sikasem.
Okay.
Investment banker. In fact, or can more establish a data bank.
Yeah.
And African Strategic Security something. Or no idea no. Or free data bank not idea. And in your investment banking 70. But bam renimudia Togbe menya sure say menunu nyina yati emrano
skill more one skill
but ba entiasia media me fin say me ne Togbe nya adwen said you all can say defies like very logical.
I see
ruling omu can the framers of the constitution adwen poor omo dey trust article 97 1G and H menuya
yeah.
Oh, track compare. I say your constitution. I'm not sure no how far previous constitutions. Yeah, no more de yeah. No say there be ya call way no straight by way. Ya call way there be and blended the American system and the British Westminster system. And see, the HN say na maybe WOHO. In fact, especially 1958 Parliament. Na and Nkrumah Party no e pochi. Especially the northern peoples.
Yes.
Across.
Yes.
And I won't say there be parliament. So now who dim back who would just supply your numbers. A numbers game our parliament. And he says, San ye, dear, and ye are queer, Nimunu, ye say a bench share, and man call for, and me for more at Sima dream poor, and Cassam a jai party, me co party be. So, oh yes, idea, and Rana say, sign call one more to a bama or no, not to me a few warm ho na sign bra parliament so e bi enunti na 2012 wo you say ni e kan say won pa NDC bi NDC a ogina wo ticket so they call parliament o jai wo because wo ni ye no wo hyehyɛ no enye Kofi nim enye nti wo jai and wo call ojo MPP no say dey san call tamale na kokko ji to me fi wo ba ebra and wo call ye na anya yi sa na hyehyɛ no te freedom of the constitution the letter no mo twen the spirit of the trust away no and no say you obi mfa na yi say cross nka he enye sa cross no a na nka by now e be a governing party kura betimi apochi some of the small MPs.
I see.
Forgive my choice of words.
Yeah, I mean, say there will be more freedom, more money idea. So
no, but me ha, me enticement we, me ma we. So you bet me the I know the action warm. Now I be what be majority. And Rana said there be, and no, a protecting that unique parliament.
I see.
Minia, and she say what Westminster ye the year. And sana ye be kwa to abano. Westminster, Britain, almost dissolve parliament. Ni am 25 days no mo de akoye o mo hyehyɛ no ma enti so obeto labor obeko conservative obe independent and phobia ho ye de ntisa emre a ye nhyehyɛ for the next election no na parliament that so etna say ye eno ma so ho enti manamo ntu ami tu for the next way no wo say I won sunsuan so enti na there be
but some people have suffered for it.
Yes.
Ebi no must suffer for
The
it.
fact say why a first mistake in the and
Was that a mistake?
People disagreed with Michael Quay at that time.
I see.
Lawyer Tachia disagreed at that time. Said there be we know on Michael.
But your party did not disagree.
No, I say your party the any choco.
Yes, sure.
So any choco and the constitution say as far as there are inconsistencies with any other law inconsistent with the constitution.
Yeah.
The constitution reigns. So, and those are the issue. And constitutional interpretation, so the Supreme Court becano and no any day in so on.
Sure.
And the Omo can say, and the Montreal for 9 in a tree. A beer, say Parliament, your woman to no mutu sanamo. Nanka ya dia ye dissolve your parliament and sanka mo your my dear no kwemfo bia ho meboa but ye dissolve ye go so ye adwuma ko 6 midnight of 6 January
yeah sure
and class ade dey ya na time hit
ade
say betina
na pe do mo ko ballot paper
Kofi ka will be Kofi and over here ade enti sa no man ye enu na ma we buy enti me there say Supreme Court 5-2 ruling. 2 no cry almost say and yes woman ni woman nya adwen o but omo fin senka high court and I can see a asem no so original jurisdiction but interpretation of constitution there
Supreme Court
in fact back when crab it my interpret but obi ni no anya adwen a obeko Supreme Court
that's true
so how dey see and see
yeah
high court cry no obi ni no nya adwen a obeko Supreme Court and those are the matters intermediate me dey say afenyo marking e dey court mra eye adwuma ebi musa den ye de ko na me say minia enti kiemfa kontim manfa mo boy ho me kura ya me wan sa afenyo kan so wo NDC for akotena ye side no on kokontokwa o na me nim so no moja so ni ayi ti yama ayi but yes I'm say oh okay that's good at least ye na wo to me ye na wa ban mu enti yes see ye na ye bi ade ayi bi beba unruly behavior we bi abeba enti me bona baso say e wode emra kwan ayama say Supreme Court by 5-2 unanimous decision say the speaker aye no oni hu to me so be sad and that too imra no nchase no enye sa na speaker enti nchase no chese in the special obi be ka say enti say obi be tima aye the ope there be who parliament say fans 9th parliament so wo ka say macross carpet there wo boa wo lusu that's what
I see
is. Who cross carpet but we election one say no towards the future until obi so be say okay bet me the impunity about in the political party activities normal so
just to test the law
yes bet me aye you say ampa next going forward no obi ko primaries no lose or because we hear the ope the party no
me question back on ne say o hwe ne Togbe Afede kan yi na ye they can't question no ho I just want to be sure if these 3 members of parliament or the yi esema krafima 2 members of parliament ayi Kwaku Asante Kojo Asante
Asante the oya na me ya o me ni papa
ena Cynthia Morrison I mean are they still part of you people
no by the your constitution so move automatically
what defect what forfeit membership
yes but ya anati yes automatically na yapamo sa na mra na kire o kan ya mra pon a o so ku nipa say na o parliamentary amendment o say ku nipa o so wo si ekun ana na nso ye mfa processes
yeah
e do ye di wasem obi ni twia Brako feed na ono hu sa so mesidi duabo obi enso ye be frɛ brako fi wo court so meche na ye de na ko process nso ye hu so de ade no bo nipa no ma no it ye ma that opportunity ye party no yes am di osi ama in fact in penifo call for me na echi I'm frɛ no se no di ogina no ogina
and now call yes so ko di nkunim
ina ye tro krata no na say sa de na ye bebre o
now them say just so dey so but no say surprisingly okoyo kodi nkunim no so omo pam wo mo achi ni nyina no sisi ba kokra na ye party chairman
easy.
I don't know, but it looks like
no, but sometimes we be
yeah.
Could you asante me penasempa?
Yeah.
We to a parian one of our powerful strategies. Election in the outcome. Me say, move who the base your parian sani dambo tre mu magic or mo ye.
Sir.
Mo de mo ntra. What be two a strong no a leader or
leadership. Yeah, sure.
What be two no kojo? Or parian san ko independent. Now what say do be queen protosia abetua kwajo was so independent. To be honest with you.
Well.
But Cynthia Morrison so minimum no pa. So minimum no pa so me contest Central Regional Secretary also contest women organizer.
Oh, okay.
Me lusu media no.
I don't know. Yeah.
Nti anche no be win MP ni nya e boni chidoma. Senior Quiddy, the party. You must submit to the party. You make a maybe 2040.
So what about if they win?
No, well, if they win, fine. They will decide whether they will be on our part, the majority bench, or because 2020 you have form majority.
Okay.
Whether they will be with us or not, a bay or more.
But they say so. I'm one of the best set Emradiamamu to send the SMA Yamamu.
Yes, send the
conditions. No matter the conditions.
Yamamu.
Oh, you sure? I see.
And Mamle Morrison so do that.
Sir, I see.
Yeah. Grand on Kamu cry, only so bro dear. You get it. And see, Togbe Afede, a bat sika seven shisha wa bay. In fact, him for Ghana, him for a boo.
Former chief of what do you call it? President of the House of Chiefs. Yes.
In fact, a business wise, man, also, and a basic assembly share when you move up and run a dear. With the Messiah. Could you see Mehene and Yardri? Meneno Yardri. That's it. A basic assembly investment or mechanic. Okay. Now, Lord, yeah,
Adabraka. All right, we mess about the second topic. This about coffee. Bremo and Afi, yes, free, but Togbe Afede. Yes.
Na minu maminchia wankasa one production team.
That's it.
Maminchia me berema AEC.
How do me go fear?
Oh, the was Casano. Oh, I see.
But you see na ana manfene briti tiruna. What title? Okay, what titles are ding in the pa. Maminchia menu ana me hu no ache. Na the incoming president, John Dramani Mahama, which he had a pa near this year. Good. Togbe Afede as a more kind is the judicial a ruling no a defy logic.
Logic, yeah, sure.
MPP party nan kasakura sa no mote.
How?
You see, listen to their own constitution.
Okay.
Article 391 of the MPP Constitution for feature of membership.
Subservient to the Constitution of Ghana.
Whatever. Let me read it.
Yeah.
You have applied to a lot of people.
Yes, sure.
I can even give you just one and then I say Solomon Owusu. My friend saying
former
MP, director of communication.
Nano Hininto.
Yeah.
Former general secretary. Yeah.
Mikrom wako pray a crapimon of a primary sida when ni.
Oh, okay.
Dangana what timun woko travel who kuntokwa mo be film fence rim form ewe kropon tamana na Hininto ko primary.
Yeah.
So I know him. Juma we dia ma MPP. Hopsin Adoye. Ono na your friend here a prank boy. Every nkuru to Juma bia. Hopsin Adoye bo bia sum wo platform so be bo am ka kire me. Hopsin Adoye bo otukono asum e wo mo sister radio station.
Osazoye so de wakunto kwa o. Oni this guy Fuseni Donko. Oni Fuseni Donko so akunto kwa pe.
Otukono bo na sum 2011 e wa Duma FM. Oko abrochiri.
Gamu nipa bi bomb me.
Oko.
Oko di kufu atam no. Wadala.
You see, Oko ya akwa abrochiri koye demonstration against your mama and NDC.
Yeah.
Oko support wa lanchere Matthew. Onu wanka so oko contest.
Ono kwa no so our intention also openasem also buy no much on the cataman.
Onu no gina IPC. MPP dim.
Yeah.
O declare keke se me pe lanchere Matthew. Onko 5 forms bi aye. Tie. MPP for this amrei edu bia including Adwo Asafo. Mebu akachi oni. What's Adwo Asafo ma parliament mo meboa wo mo vote mo won agenda and one bills bi ni ade a wo pese wo achieve no Adwo Asafo ma wakote na buruchi.
Oh TikTok seriously.
Enti won ankasa ko kira we man speaker. Says NDC voices asem no be pursue no ga Adwo Asafo efi won mo mere na aka na mfaso bi ene so. And that's what we pending. Because yes, because we think that Obia to me absent in Parliament more than 15 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, the buyer can Japan crowd them.
Can Japan Harry Cote just for I think a few
because Adwo and Sebu interest at that time. One quiet by election. And where you want stronghold into where you know what Kodomi Kwabenya will be to win. That was the strategy. And then this if we say had it in Crawford baby wom and McKenna by apologize in Yadina. Henry Cote Cajon. What you say? Some Crawford in the one by the same law. And then they abandoned it. Article 97(1) G and H are clear. We wouldn't have to be Afede. To be Afede doesn't need any law certificate. You see, what you say? Near Supreme Court, no, me. And you one was saying Crawford be na eka want to me describe Justice Araba Tokonu. So you're deputy women's organizer of MPP. So Sana Crawford be described on
Ecophobia. Oh yeah, also a day.
Deputy women's organizer after Kejemua
National. Oh, deputy national women organizer. Oh, Debbie. But on records, she's the chief justice of our land.
Anything to be described, no, say her lordship, Justice Araba Tokonu.
Araba Saba.
Saba Tokonu. I only have your markings in a few winniba. So, or your preacher, ICGC, come to 18. Baby, an uncle,
yes,
I was Sakumono, so I say, yes, and so the Piara, and you see, near maybe because sometimes, you know, Dokuna show, when young cranny, but Dokuna show the winning sabbing. So, Dokuna show the winning sabbing. Minimum. I say, in some SEC or Chrome, all the political issues, Pia, and your chief justice not watch it. All the political issues, Pia, concerning MPP and this won't say a chief justice. And the Nippo panel warning soon shall won't experience.
I see.
When I experience a justice, Jama family are there, won't you know? Bambel money, they don't even call them, they don't partner them. They don't empanel those people. Why? Why? Yeah. You were Obia or you Minister of Security.
National Security.
Yes.
Kendapa.
Tiasemo Kachire Chief Justice. Supreme Court, the whole Supreme Court. Asemo Kachire. You see, Kendapa is a National Security Minister.
And a cabinet minister for that.
I don't know a brief president every morning.
Yeah.
About the security situation that will near observation and an information or picking and or the mao no kushia one the two one.
Yeah.
So he advised them as a friendly on when you know the same field. To or your government Nana Akufo-Addo appointee. Chief Justice here Nana Akufo-Addo appointee. Into one you know to be the agwere back back also. Okay, no say if the interpretation of the law So the way 2nd August 2022 and I can da pa catch one. I expired. Also, if the interpretation of the law tilted so much in our favor all the time, people will start accusing the judiciary and will not have the confidence that they need. When maybe I friend of Sophia Kufu, former Chief Justice.
Yes.
No,
Former Attorney General. Chief Justice, yeah.
Yes.
Gloria.
I say this current Supreme Court, you too predictable.
Oh, really?
Yes. Just Google it and you see.
I see.
He said this current Supreme Court has become too predictable. When you continue some happen, one no. And my Supreme Court judges in Ankasa Justice Arabato Konu Asaba was there Asabato Konu. On one Kasa Bekai says I know be able ones who are unanimous. Anything as a judgment to watch that coffin just to balance.
But is that the case?
I'm a politician.
Yeah.
Who the one bomu I mean say you two. Who you back with me I mean say one.
I see.
Who sent half. So I have a logical reason and now me man kasa. And then it should be a babado. I can analyze it. Me to me when we nipa wonga kasa na mu na ye adwuma.
I don't think Muslim go parliament now.
You see,
and I'm surprised this is coming from Asedun Ketia.
Me Togbe Afede de me wie no. Mami ka se me jero me nia.
Never and no to us, mommy. Asedun Ketia.
Parliament,
Yes, because I'm surprised Asedun Ketia, the chairman of the opposition party, is saying that when Omuni Honomu to serve party interests, almost serve the national interests.
Ebra Speaker of Parliament. John Parliament. Sini day, no. Sini day or Sini die, or Sini day.
Yeah.
Time or John indefinitely, no. Why am not call a parliament back?
A year before they call a parliament back
by minority leader after your marking.
That
Majority leader.
No.
That's more.
You see that declaration, no. Speaker ME nan parliament and reverse it. You don't need it. Supreme Court doesn't regulate the rules and the day-to-day activities for parliament or parliament.
That I agree with you.
Yes, and no yes and now Justice Arabato Konu Ambaso so number 4 person or say the 4th most powerful person. Now no number 3 no, the 3rd most powerful person no, who's the 4th no more
the interpretation of the constitution.
The interpretation no, you see the moment Supreme Court can take a decision and also turn it. Actually, say one ankasa to be a mistake.
Yeah, sure.
Even Justice Tanko can be also any day piano. Say a year one decision won't take it will be 10.
Yeah, it can be. It can be.
It can be.
Yeah, anytime.
Anything. So don't tell me that they are anything else. You see, Mamika Semenchero. You see, Parliament, Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Abangbagben, Kingsford, or Kasembi. Also, he believe the supremacy of the Constitution.
Yes.
Not the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Supreme Court no. Say Supreme Court we. One the Tennessee and wakachira one otiwe. Any minu ya isi. And a man kasa ameti ye. Kachira Ghana fu nyina say. Adi a friend the birth certificate in Chirasa we Ghana ni. Ye film the same Supreme Court. Sa krofu yara ukwa ye Ghana card na wade taw to wo no wo beto de da wa wotu aso no what out to say eye won ankasa won achievement that won ye baby kura nya baby no onipa nya baby nhome no tie ukwa ye Ghana card na the prime document aye here a birth certificate true of us
true
ukwa ye passport as a Ghanaian ni ebe mo identify so we Ghanaian no they request or they will ask for a prime document, a birth certificate. But the same Supreme Court, to me take that decision, no. And Yansafu, what we are saying, the Chrome hanging in Supreme Court. King Solomon has it for what in the Supreme Court. You see, what to me could take that decision, but at the same time, Okwako passport and a Ghana card document are here, prime document, basic. What's the way Ghana and here?
No, who bet me the birth certificate, visa collaborative.
You see. I didn't want to say when you're Ghanaian. My baba your passport as a Ghanaian. Why then do you ask me to bring my
birth set, yeah.
Yeah, immediately they say, and say birth certificate, because Supreme Court is sacrosanct according to you.
Yeah.
Oh, Makasa. So Makasa, the end, not just a Yansa for King Solomon, as if we are Casaria. Yeah, King Solomon, as if we are Casaria, don't be a near here. In coffee, etchy in Yambofono.
Yeah.
Now, so you are not Casa. Anything you catch a Supreme Court when you're young coupon, where you nipper, where you mistake. It's a didn't want that. What to me, I shall I catch it. I want to be an order, Speaker of Parliament. Move friend of consequential order. Want to be an catch Speaker of Parliament, they say, in Crawford Banang, Wamra, and Amawama. And Supreme, you see,
no, they don't give that.
Yo, Yate, me, Mathieu. A lawyer for Kudam. Mathieu, I move from the day. Apart from Zorin, Mathieu Martin Pebu. At least those constitutional. No, you see, Martin Pebu say.
Martin Pebu is a private legal practitioner.
No, forget it. Martin Pebu say, on why a campaign man and Kufuado.
Yeah.
I will chrome her and record WOHO.
Yeah, sure.
And no campaign is one to man.
Yeah.
Into a young on young people, you are not meant to be because I can't bear remember of people. I mean, who ye? Nesu to be a Gina Akasa said will be a challenge. So I said, Obi is a Professor Jampo.
Yeah.
When you are advocating where you campaign, Mamma. And then
you jump position on this matter.
You see, jump position on this matter. No, say if you vow. And so, only the Nigerian say, a son necessary.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we make legal if you are Kasa Mati. And also constitutional lawyers and Kasa Wukrumano. Kasa can what's the debut? I do way here. Mammy Kasa speaker. I won't come. Won't say or that mashas for no Parliament. Have 4 MPs in Wabape when you won't feel they should allow them to. And they won't say
want me. Anything I make a speaker, yeah, attempt to make jail.
You see, I was saying
on this matter.
I see.
Yes, I will be.
One was saying,
I
said, one say, I be who percent said, where you are now. A trewa now for dia.
I don't see a day.
I don't see a
I'm saying the first thing I made 5 minutes not so. Yes.
Now who are a minority now who call for your friends a parliamentary sit who friend market and you see Mamika Semichero Afenyo Subanga or Dadin. A woman say or say James Awono. No one won't walk.
Yeah.
NDC,
yeah.
Banta,
yeah.
But to me, when him say, it do baby NDC for accuse you, young members. Say they've compromised.
Yeah, sure.
I didn't do so many.
And the Mutakanum, yeah.
Yes. Because now, on the corporation, no, but I don't do so can't say because it's a echo society. Corporation will suffer. Corporation will suffer.
Yeah.
Who afraid Parliament now? One court. Woman best kurana your friend I'm not done prayer friend I'm not done prayer
yeah
so no minority chief
whip yeah
o to me catch any support MPs ni nyina so obi am for support 1000 emra ono pay no to me de ko obi am fa nko meaning your own MPs doesn't even have trust in you 30 members who to me free parliament say yan recall parliament yan metra say only 30 MPs in every hard that day and a call parliament and this if you better say at least and this 107 yes because my country me say speaker nan parliament because baby I watch it
what's the speaker you're wrong
baby I watch it boyano one or sangan
yeah
sada thing baby I watch it speaker need to me I was akonya and if you
I see
and what can some it is a what can some we no mo nan asem ne ya no no ma e medan asem ne ya wontumi e megina bonten ntoto abo e park because board no wonim se obelusu it wa kwa kwose mfitiri na auto abo e be fie ma me ka se me ya abofra
na fa we si ma me
menena bi na wo friend na na eku oje me board wo dampem
we wa kachi
oje me board wo dampem and na me nso bi je board no mi so oto amfa ma me na me ko gina dan na mfitiri akiri wo na me to abo egudan no so me to abo am Onua yi boro no to bai eno na MPP fu ye premprem yo
I see.
ni a party chairman aka no NDC fu nyina supporto
I see.
Supreme Court enko no mun court na parliament no mun MPP.
But have you forgot to say to abide my members of parliament
see,
to serve the interests of their constituents?
MPP fu ade a won aye no aye me hu say nkrofo condemn won. You call for parliamentary recall. Speaker, I was going to mobile. And no better than
yeah.
And no share will say, yeah, baby started 10 o'clock. Speaker, Tennessee up to 11.
There was no order of
because
business.
Speaker, why reneging on his responsibility as
But
a leader?
that it's not the Speaker
not
of
the
the
Speaker.
Parliament to determine
It's not
where
true. It's
they
not
should
true.
sit.
It's
That
not
is
true.
what he
It's
said.
not true.
He has said
No,
that.
he's running away from responsibility.
How?
Ah,
see,
how?
let it be that.
George,
He's
how?
the leader of the house.
Man said, "Mundo person, je wo di mami wi na mama."
Oh, just a minute.
Yes,
Nah.
mami wi. One say, won MPP fu anka say won suban. Won tumi won anda so ya wode shi obi ahwe na make fa do anka say be mani so. Not a single day and we accept to say we fail Ghanaians.
Fairly or Kwambe.
But we are the same thing.
Hey.
One day, obi ko bisa an economy who has a man is a hand obi sam has a be.
That we had them say.
Also, obi sa meaning baby ko obi say economy who has a be. Not a single day when blame Russia. Obe blame Ukraine. When blame Ukraine, obe blame John Mahama.
John Mahama go Harvard. One go Russia Ukraine.
You see,
one go COVID.
all right.
John Mahama go Harvard.
The same thing.
John Mahama go Harvard. No. Okasema the whole world and Okasema Africa.
Yes.
And Okase, you move from say COVID no affecting we are say.
Everything penny. Okay.
Us Africa to affect
Name more can they?
Ghana self-inflicted.
Yes.
Sika buy no. Oman penny.
Sika buy. Yeah, the one call for. Yeah, the one call for.
Finish your take.
Yeah,
Unia. 1 billion.
Yeah.
Before something to us to know, GHSM or Facebook, because also Mr. said, so would you change the NPP constitution?
No. Why should you change it? Why should you change it?
Because whereas it's so because we're free party, more for membership.
Yes.
Are you going to change?
Yeah, no.
You forfeit.
No, it's you forfeit. Still.
But you still not change your
constitution. No,
constitution.
So you're taking the steps
I
and
see.
the process.
Very well. Very well.
Succinct in that.
Very well. But
yes, unfortunate. General Mosquito and then call forecast or monco Pombe boycott to Parliament. Say not Lante Vanderpoint. So
yeah.
But there are very important bills, critical bills. When I'm saying November, I will see my first quarter budget for 2025 because of election. You know, government will take over. Government machinery will say running until March.
Yeah.
March na be do no more budget for the year. And that is what the Dr. Baumia budget for the year will be read in March. As president of Ghana. Yes. And that's the issue.
But so I didn't on two different occasions.
Yes.
Speaker Frey Mumra.
It's wrong because Speaker reneged on his responsibility. To be honest with you, one of the most useless press conferences we are seeing press conference.
Oh, really?
A very useless press conference. Only critical questions be sending our answer.
I see.
Who a journalist? The sitting way or saying on checking responsibility.
No, so because of certain positions,
yes,
the majority decided not to go to Parliament.
I say that is the truth.
No, because do you remember say on the 7th?
137, 137, baby, independent decided so, baby.
But do you remember say on the 7th of January 2020,
Yes.
NDC 40 majority side?
Yes.
Do you remember? On the 7th of January, NDC 40 majority side. Do you remember? Oh, they were seated there.
I don't remember.
He's a politician. I mean, that's
no,
fine.
I don't remember. Say it about her.
Yeah, that's
They decide, say,
That's fine.
He find 137, 137.
But because of certain
independent,
positions.
Independent person, no, be decided.
Yeah.
Then the
No,
it's the majority working group.
Oh,
A constitutional working group. Yes, a working group. Only decided only say in one of the parliaments, minority CPP for Nina Abekaya. And I minority. 1996.
Emi do ni odi e de bia no de o.
Oya mabusia penny TV ni problem. Oya mabusia penny.
Abutrema no ya abutrema no. Wada roma.
Oya mabusia penny TV.
But for the purpose of our listeners, wada roma. Let me tell you that.
Enye fair to the Ghanaian worker. Yes, you are here for Ghana Jumayefo. And this year, Namontu, you are here. January, February, I could hear a bean san cow, a bean san cow market to you in the young year. I didn't say MPP and DC Assembly. Yang, your baby branch, no ultimately. And the NDC4, my speaker, what default, Kotna, we, Crotchna. Monko Parliament, Nefre will be a nem to one mutio tone. Say based on Makachra has said Justice DFN Ayebida. Meboa.
Yeah.
Justice DFN. Judge Mensa versus the Attorney General. Or can I say Kwame Pepranko presented budget. And Judge Mensa said there be what we need re-election. But woman young vetty woman to need to muse us.
Yeah, sure.
I'm putting said that one come the power parliament or other kind of budget and a DFN and away from the Supreme Court. So stay so win. Okay, well, that's a responsible leader. I say sorry, I've got this from the Supreme Court. Kwame Pepra, unfortunately, you can't present the budget.
I see.
He Dale, I'm a Kwame Pepra fan the back. And we'll go do your Gary B and we'll die. So, but we speak away, who the fan, what the party interest a year over.
Because he is also a lawyer.
He's a lawyer.
Yeah.
And so he should know better.
But let also, let me refer Assembly Supreme Court, one filing defense.
And that's how I know, and I said, one filing defense. First, I'm beginning of court, and John Cass or Meva, one my way, Ghana, what you send a lawyer in the case be out. But interpretation matters in the media. But NDC form will reconsider. And no, can say 138. I think one half can make the decision.
Quorum?
No, quorum is the 1/3.
Yeah.
And then decision making, you need the one
decision making.
138.
No,
138.
It's not 138.
138.
No, it's not
granted. Granted, say 138.
No, speaker catch it. NDC for them. MPP boycotting.
Yeah.
Now NDC for WOHO 137.
Yeah.
But what the speaker told them say, move for quorum.
Yeah, but you cannot
because 137.
You can
one more.
No, you can discuss all the issues. All the issues. You need full house.
Full house, yeah.
Yes. Full house.
That's 138.
No.
That's 138.
Na Pobeja campaign at Parliament.
Babina
was it. George is a member of the NPP communication team, and of course, Penny Kofi, also a member of the NDC communication team. I'm for your time this.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,